My Jandy Jxi heater will not come on. There is no message on the display. Water level is good. Filter clean. Recently replaced the thermostat on the heater and it was fine for a couple of weeks. What should I try or look at?
How long has this been going on? And how severe is the problem?
A week and it won't work.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Hopefully.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I'm also having a problem with laqualink. It shows that the filter is off when in fact it is running. Any connection?
Yes, if the system thinks the filter pump is off, then the heater will not turn on. It's a safety issue. I would recommend resetting the laqualink first. Resetting does not wipe the memory. If that does not work, then you need to go into the menu and program the filter pump correctly. However, turning all off for a few minutes, 5, and turn all back on. Sometimes that works and is the easiest. The first task is to get the info right on the laqualink. Let me know what you find.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.